What are fractional shares exactly? When you buy one share of a company, you are buying a slice of that chocolate-covered strawberry apple pie a la mode company. You are literally an owner of that company. Fractional shares are where you invest on a dollar basis instead of a whole share. So you get a sliver of a slice of that pumpkin cinnamon spiced company pie. This is amazing because instead of buying, let's say, Tesla, one share of Tesla, which is $711, or better yet, one share of Amazon, which is $3,300, you can get $1 of Amazon or $1 worth of Tesla. So how do we do this? Let's go to Amazon. We go to the bottom of the screen with the blue button that says trade, where it says order type and limit. We're going to change that to where it says market. And here we have fractional shares trading enabled. Click that. Where it says whole share in blue, we're going to go to fractional share. Now it's a little bit wonky here because we don't have the exact dollar amount, but let's say you want to invest 10%. And now where it says time in force day, you can only do this during market hours, which is 9:30 to 4. And then at the bottom, we're going to click buy. Something to note also is at the close to the bottom is the estimated amount. It says $335.20. Make sure that's how much you want to pay. And then at the bottom, the green button, hit buy when you're ready to purchase. If you would like 2 free stocks and to support the channel, sign up for WeBull, link in the description. And as a bonus, get a free year membership to the Sober Girl Investor community, where we learn how to be wealthy and save the world.
What?